This is a 1998 MasterCraft 225 VRS. Has a tandem axle trailer. Swim platform. Has double bimini tops. We'll go inside here. The motor's a Corvette motor, a LT1 340 horse. Lots of seating, rated for 12 passengers. Does have almost 28 hours, less than 25 hours since the rebuild on the motor. Show you around it here. Walk through windshield. Does have the filler cushion for the bow. You could take that out and have more leg room. Full windshield. In-floor storage. There's storage under all the seats. We do offer financing. Come check this one out.